As you saw the thumbnail, we are going to learn about positions and commands. Under this, we have commands like squad Savdhan, that is squad attention, and squad Vishram, that is stand at ease, and command Aram Se, that is stand at easy, and turning commands like Daine mode, that is right turn, and turning command like Baya mode, that is left turn, and Picha mode, that is abort turn, and finally inclining commands like Adha Daine Baya mode, that is half left and half right movement. Firstly, we have squad Savdhan. And the positions of Savdhan is a basic movement of drill. Under this, we have certain points like heels should be placed together and in line. Feet turned out equally and forming an angle 30 degrees. Body erect and resting equally on hips and chest lifted and urged square. Keep arms hanging straight down behind the trouser. Hands clenched and thumbs should be straight towards the front. All drill movement commence after getting into Savdhan position. Also, while speaking to or being addressed by a superior officer, a cadet should stand in Savdhan. Next we have Vishram, that is stand at ease. The left foot has to rise 6 inches from the ground. Take left foot 12 inches to the left, placing weight on the body on the both feet. Simultaneously, both the hands will be taken behind the back. The right hand over the left with the open palm facing outwards and thumbs interlocked. And third one, we have Aram Se, that is stand easy. In this we can relax the limbs, body and head without moving the feet. Talking, turning head, slouching and using a handkerchief is not allowed. And coming to the fourth one, we have Daine mode, that is right turn. In all turns, keep the weight of the body on the forward foot. Turning both knees straight and turning 90 degrees right on the right heel and left toe. Bring the left foot into the right by lifting the foot 6 inches clear of the ground. You can see this. And coming to fifth one, we have Baya mode, that is left turn. Keep the weight of the body on the forward foot and turn both knees straight. Turn 90 degrees left on the left heel and right toe and bring the right foot into the left by lifting the foot 6 inches clear of the ground. Next we have Picha mode, that is abort turn. Turn 180 degrees, bracing the legs and maintaining the balance by locking the thighs together. The abort turn is always made on right abort. You have to turn from the right side only. And last one we have Adha Daine Baya mode, that is half left and half right mode. In this, the movement is same as in turnings, except that the squad turns through 45 degrees only in the place of 90 and 180. Thank you for watching this video. share among your NCC friends and subscribe Goals Virus channel and hit the bell icon